Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow Twitter app access to photos on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings and scroll down, tap on apps and scroll, then choose on Twitter app. Okay, and this option is visible. Okay, to allow Twitter app access to photos on iPhone, tap on Twitter app, click on plus icon, add a filter and just click on allow full access. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.